Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. How are you today? Great. So you guys now are in what semester? Second semester. So how was your semester going so far?
Oh my God.
Very good, yeah. Alhamdulillah. Okay, we are coming back with me again, Miss Shifa. You can call me Miss Shifa, and I will be teacher of English for Mechanical Engineering. And our topic today is about health, safety, and environment. What does it mean? Kesehatan, keselamatan, dan lingkungan. Okay. Let's take a look at this picture. What can you see? Someone is falling. Bro, what is it in Indonesia? Jatuh. And what is this person? Like there is a hand setrum. Great job. So as a mechanical engineer, you don't want this to be happen, right?
Yes.
So that's why we are here to talk about some hazards or some dangers that might occur in our workplace, especially in mechanical engineering. So first of all, I have a video. You can listen and take notes of the key points or the important points. Okay?
Okay.
Dangers. Anti-accident is terrifying. Without using sonar that will cost you a finger. Never remove safety guards. Period. 40 accidents cause hundreds of deaths yearly.
Can you mention 5 workplace hazards you find? There's what else? Electrical, noise, hazardous, and working at haze. Okay, first of all about machinery dangers. What is it? Dangers in machine. Bahaya yang terjadi jika kita saat menggunakan mesin. What can cause it? Apa yang menyebabkan adanya machinery dangers? Unguarded equipment. Okay, peralatan yang tidak aman. And then operator that's untrained. Operator yang tidak terlatih. And we have electrical hazard. What is it? It's hazard in electrical. What can cause it? Exposed wiring. Anybody knows exposed wiring is? Ya, kabelnya ada di mana-mana. It can cause hazard. And the third one is noise hazard. Bahaya dalam noise, berisik, akan menyebabkan earnya rusak. There are damage in our ears. Okay, because of the loud environment, karena lingkungannya keras. Okay, what is hazardous chemicals? Kimia, bahan-bahan kimia atau paparan kimia. It can cause skin burns. Apa skin burns? Ada yang tahu? Kulitnya terbakar. And irritation. What is that? Iritasi. Toxic fumes. Toxic. What is toxic? Beracun. Fumes. What is fumes? Gas, yes. Jadi gasnya beracun. And the last thing, I think you guys are familiar when we are working at haze. Kita bekerja saat di atas gedung. Nah, what can cause a workplace hazard in here? In working at haze, insecure ladders. Tangganya tidak aman. Maybe damage or udah lapuk. Patah, yes. Missing guardrails. Do you know guardrails mean? Guardrails. Guard, penjaga. Rail, itu pagar. Jadi no guardrails. It can cause you to fall. In this case, to not making it happen, we have to proper what? Personal protective equipment. What does it mean in Indonesia? Anybody knows? Yes, proteksi. In other word is pelindung diri, alat pelindung diri. So that when you are in dangerous environment, you have to protect all of your body, including eye, and then hearing, hand, foot, head, respiratory, and body. Jadi semua itu harus terjaga. And then we have face and eye protection. Buat apa berarti? Melindungi dari debu. Dan apa yang dilindungi? Face and eye, muka dan mata. What can we hear? What can we wear in here? Goggles. You know what goggles is? Kacamata pelindung. There is also shield. You know shield? For protecting our face. Nah, biasanya ini buat menghindari dari hal-hal yang chemical, paparan-paparan atau mungkin debu-debu dan semacamnya. There is hearing protection untuk melindungi pendengaran. For protecting our ears, basically from noise. What is noise? Bising. What can we wear? Earplugs. Follow after me. Earplugs. And earmuffs. Okay, great job. And here are skin and body protections. So many equipments we can use. This is biasanya yang di konstruksi itu pekerjaannya. Anybody knows many equipments in here? Yang paling pertama, for hands. What is that? Safety gloves. Okay, follow to me. Safety gloves. And then there's for hat. It's called hard hat. Hard hat. And protective coveralls. Protective coverall. Do you know protective coverall is? That is a coat that's protecting all of our body. Kayak pas COVID. Nah. And then lumpy. It is called safety pads. And then harness. You know harness is? Harness is this equipment when you are working at height to protect your body from falling. Jadi kita harus pakai sabuk biar nggak jatuh. It's called safety harness. Great job. And lastly for our feet, safety boots. Great job. Lastly is respiratory protection. Tahu lah ya, ini untuk menghindari pernapasan, untuk melindungi pernapasan kita. Basically we wear mask. Yes, this is for protecting from harmful gas yang berbahaya, hal-hal yang bersifat kimia dan juga virus dan bakteri. Jadi mesin-mesin yang kita pakai ini juga ada proteksinya sendiri untuk menghindari kita dari kena bahaya mesin ini. It is called machine guarding. Machine guarding. Let's watch this video.
The use of protective measures to shield workers from hazards associated with moving machine parts. The primary goal is to protect operators from injuries, fire debris, electrical hazards, and other potential dangers. Machine guards come in various types, each designed for specific situations.
Okay. Have you watched the video and take notes? Okay. How many machine guards we found? 4. What are they? Fixed guard, interlock guard, adjustable guard, self-adjusting guard. The first one is fixed guard. Anybody knows what is that?
Permanent part of the seal.
Yes, that's right. It is the permanent that is formed into the machine itself. Jadi mesin itu emang udah dilindungi, ada pelindungnya. Something. It is called fixed guard. Second is interlock guard. Anybody knows what is that? What is it?
It's smart guards, automatically shutter off the seal when or removed.
Yes, that's it. Jadi guardnya ini, pelindung mesin ini bisa mati kalau mesinnya itu dibuka. Jadi akan make sure we are safe while using the machine. There is adjustable guard. What is that?
This is like the devices can be adjusted to fit different operations on material size.
Oke, kita bisa menyesuaikan guardnya itu dan menyesuaikan kebutuhan kita saat ingin ada guardnya atau pelindungnya. And lastly is self-adjusting guard. Sesuai namanya, what is that?
The automatically adjust the size of the metal being worked on.
Great. Jadi dia otomatis ya guardnya. Dia menyesuaikan sendiri tanpa kita harus atur. Something like that. Okay. And let's have a dialogue of professional conversation between safety officer, machine operator, and the trainee. Nabila jadi safety officer, and Alia jadi trainee, dan Amara jadi machine operator. Okay, you got me? Okay, please start.
This machine has a living part. Wear your safety goggles and gloves. Keep your hands away from the things.
Do I need ear protection? Yes, workers must wear earplugs because the noise level is high.
is installed to prevent contact with moving parts. If the guard is removed, then serious injury may occur.
What should I do before operating the machine? Inspect the guard first and do not start the machine if it is damaged. The control panel is used to stop the machine's safety.
That's right, follow these rules. They help our reporters and prevent accidents.
Alright, thank you. I understand and I will follow the safety procedure.
Okay, thank you and give applause. In the dialogue, we can consider English elements or language elements. So when you are asked to do conversation or having talks, how to protect yourself from damage or dangers, we have in here yang kuning itu, what is it called? Yes, sebelah kiri, imperative sentence. Anybody knows what is this? Oke, betul. Jadi ketika kita ngasih tahu caranya, kan kita memberikan perintah ya. So, warna hijau, the green one. Worker must wear earplugs because the noise level is high. What is it called? Modal verbs of obligation. Jadi kata kerja wajib intinya. Yang biasanya contains must, should, and have. And the blue one, what is that? Passive voice. The fixed guard is installed to prevent contact with moving parts. The last one is the pink one. What is it called? Cause effect expression. Contohnya apa di situ? If that serious injury may occur. Jadi ini ekspresi untuk menunjukkan sebab akibat. Okay, let's practice. Let me explain. There are three situations. Let's say this is real. Anggap aja ini kalian sudah bekerja gitu kan. You guys are a worker. So that in this class, please work in a group of 2 or 3 and then choose one of these situations. Yang pertama kalian harus identifikasi hazardnya and kalian harus jelasin pelindungannya apa, alat pelindungnya apa, dan juga safety system atau sistem keamanan di mesinnya. Do you guys understand? Oke, ada yang mau bertanya? Ya, ada yang masih bingung? Oke, nggak ada ya. 5 menit cukup nggak? Cukup ya. Oke, let's start from now. Okay, hello Amara. What situation did you choose? First situation, okay, about electric ya. Jadi harus tahu itu tuh apa, elektriknya itu setrum gitu ya. Okay, hello Nabila and Ulfa, kalian milih setelah siapa? Second ya. Oh, dia tentang noise. Now time's up. Everybody finished? Okay, who wants to volunteer? Okay, Kiki and Mayang. Please, you may stand up.
We choose number 2.
Okay.
Can you hear me? This area is really noisy. Not clearly. I have to shoot just to talk. That's the problem because that means that the noise is dangerous here. You must wear earplugs and earmuffs properly. Okay. What about the machines we are using? This machine has a fixed enclosure guard. It is designed to reduce noise and block direct exposure. If the guard is open, the noise level may be measured. Oh, I understood. Thanks for the reminder. Very well. Keep the enclosure closed and wear your hearing protector.
Okay, give applause for Kiki and Mayang. Thank you for volunteering. So that we have done our activities today, and let's review our materials. Can you tell me 4 kinds of workplace hazard?
Machinery dangers.
Okay.
Electrical hazard.
Okay.
Hazardous chemical, and working at height.
Okay, good job. Anybody wants to tell me kinds of machine guarding?
Fixed machine guards, interlock machine guards, adjustable guards, and the last one is self-adjusting guards.
Okay, can you tell me at least two protector that you know? What's for noise? Good job. For eyes? Goggles. What is for body? Fast. Wait, apa lagi? Gloves. Okay. So that's all from my materials. Jadi jangan lupa dipraktekkan. Don't forget to practice it. You can practice it with your friends karena ini akan sangat berguna di dunia pekerjaan. Before I close, please pay attention. If I say mechanical engineering, you say the beauty of solidarity. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Mechanical engineering, the beauty of solidarity. Okay, give applause. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.